AI tools that can save you money every month. Do you ever feel like your money disappears the moment you earn it? Imagine having an invisible assistant that helps you save, track, and even grow your money, all while you sleep. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'll reveal the top AI tools that are transforming personal finance. These tools will help you budget smarter, save effortlessly, and track every penny so you can build wealth and live a stress-free lifestyle. Most people don't fail financially because they don't earn enough. They fail because they don't manage what they earn. Stick with me until the end, because your future self will thank you for it. 1. Budgeting made easy. Why NAB? You need a budget. Let's start with the foundation, budgeting. If budgeting feels like a chore, that's because you're doing it wrong. Enter YNAB, a powerful app that doesn't just track your spending, it gives every dollar a job. Think of it like that bossy friend who tells you, no, you don't need another latte. Except this time, you actually listen. YNAB uses AI to categorize your expenses and project how much you can save. It helps you shift from reactive spending to proactive saving. Here's the fear factor. The average person wastes $400 a month on unnecessary expenses. Don't let that be you. But what if we could do more than just budget? What if you had a tool to build financial momentum? 2. Automated savings. Digit. Now let's talk about saving. Digit is like that friend who secretly stashes away cash for your birthday and surprises you later. This app uses AI to analyze your spending habits and automatically moves small, unnoticeable amounts into savings. It does all the heavy lifting without impacting your lifestyle. Imagine opening your savings account one day and finding a few $1,000s you didn't even realize you had. Sounds exciting, right? Unless, of course, you're the type who saves by hiding cash under your mattress. Then we need to talk. But saving isn't enough if you're not tracking where your money's leaking. That's where the next tool comes in. 3. Expense tracking. Mint. Ever wonder where your money goes? One word, Mint. It's like having a personal accountant in your pocket. Mint tracks your expenses in real time, flags unnecessary subscriptions, and offers customized spending insights. Here's the scary part. The average household wastes $1,200 a year on subscriptions they forgot about. Canceling just a few could be like giving yourself a raise. But what if you want to go beyond just fixing leaks and start earning rewards? 4th, smarter spending, Honey or Capital One shopping. Who doesn't love a good deal? Honey and Capital One. Shopping makes sure you never overpay online.